This Logik fridge freezer has impressive features that have your family needs covered. The large capacity means there's plenty of space to store your groceries, so it's ideal for larger households. There'll be no more rummaging around to find what you need. There's more than enough space for your weekly shop, making unloading your shopping bags stress-free. Defrosting your freezer is a thing of the past. Total no frost prevents ice from forming, so you can spend time doing things you enjoy rather than manually defrosting. Speed up the freezing process with Fast Freeze, ideal for stopping your newly bought food from thawing.